We've all been there. You tried a DIY wax and now you're stuck, literally. The wax won't come off and panic is setting in. Before you do anything else, stop. Don't wash the wax with water. Water won't dissolve wax and can make the cleanup more difficult. In this guide, I'll show you a simple, gentle method to remove stuck wax safely and help keep your skin comfortable. Wax mixes more easily with oil than with water. Applying a skin-safe oil helps loosen the wax so it can be removed more gently. Avoid scrubbing the area. Instead, be gentle. Excessive rubbing may irritate freshly waxed skin. Choose a skin-safe cosmetic oil, such as mineral oil or another appropriate skincare oil. Apply enough to fully cover the sticky wax. Soak a cotton pad with the oil and place it over the wax. Let it sit for about 30 seconds to help soften the residue. Once the wax softens, gently roll or lift it away. There's no need to scrub or pull forcefully. If a small amount of wax remains, simply repeat the process with a little more oil until the area is clean. After removing the wax, soothe the skin with pure aloe vera gel or a fragrance-free moisturizer. For the next 24 hours, avoid hot showers, intense workouts, tight clothing, and prolonged sun exposure to help your skin recover. Avoid using alcohol-based products, scratching the area, or waxing the same spot again immediately. These can increase irritation. To help prevent sticky wax in the future, make sure the wax has a smooth, honey-like consistency and follow the product instructions carefully. Working with clean tools and a clean workspace can also help make the waxing process smoother and more comfortable. Let's recap. Apply oil, wait about 30 seconds, gently remove the wax, then soothe the skin afterward. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to MTH Health for more practical skincare and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.